Long security lines ruining travel? Here's how to avoid them. Welcome back. Today we're tackling long security lines. The stress of missing your flight, wasting vacation time. Don't worry, I'm sharing tips to sidestep those lines. Hacks, shortcuts, and secrets to breeze through security. Ready to ditch airport anxiety? Let's go. Let's kick things off with a tip for those who like a little luxury. Ever noticed how first-class passengers glide through security? There's a reason for that. Upgrade your ticket to First, Business, or Premium. Airlines provide dedicated security lanes for these passengers. If you can swing it, it makes a world of difference. If you're a frequent traveler and haven't signed up for TSA PreCheck, what are you waiting for? It's a game changer for breezing through airport security. You get access to dedicated lanes that are almost always shorter. Plus, you don't have to remove your shoes, laptops, or liquids from your bags. The application process is straightforward and worth the convenience. For all my fellow Globetrotters out there, listen up. If you frequently travel internationally, especially to and from the US, then Global Entry is about to become your new best friend. It allows you to bypass those notoriously long customs and immigration lines and use automated kiosks instead. And here's a bonus. Global Entry includes all the benefits of TSA PreCheck. That's right, you get expedited security screening both domestically and internationally. Talk about a win-win situation. All right, let's talk about Clear Plus, because this program is taking airport efficiency to a whole new level. Imagine yourself strolling right past those long security lines just by scanning your eyes or fingerprints. It uses biometric data to confirm your identity, so you can skip the whole ID check and head straight to the security screening. While it does come with a membership fee, many frequent travelers find it to be completely worth the investment. For those who practically live on airplanes, Elite Status offers perks like priority security lines. Airlines reward loyal customers with benefits for a smoother travel experience. If you're a frequent flyer, check your airline's requirements. You might be closer than you think. All right, let's face it. Checking bags can be a real drag. That's why opting for a carry-on instead of checked baggage can be a total game changer. When you travel light, you bypass the baggage drop lines and move swiftly through security. Plus, with a carry-on, you have all your essentials within arm's reach throughout your journey. No more worrying about lost luggage or waiting around for hours at baggage claim. This next tip is all about being a savvy traveler and thinking outside the box. Instead of automatically defaulting to the biggest airport in your area, consider flying out of a smaller or alternate airport. Major airport hubs tend to be incredibly busy, especially during peak travel times. Smaller airports, on the other hand, often have fewer flights and passengers, which translates to shorter security lines. If you have some flexibility in your travel plans, it's definitely worth exploring. All right, let's talk strategy, people. When it comes to conquering airport security lines, timing is everything. As a general rule of thumb, try to avoid flying during peak travel days and times, like weekends, holidays, and Monday mornings. Instead, opt for off-peak travel days like Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Thursdays. You'll find that the airports are much calmer, the lines are shorter, and you can actually breathe a sigh of relief. You'd be surprised how many people fumble through their bags at the last minute, desperately searching for their ID and boarding pass. Before you leave, make sure all your travel documents are organized and accessible. This includes your passport or driver's license, boarding pass, printed or digital, and any other necessary travel documents. Being organized will save you time and stress at the airport. Mobile Passport Control, your digital shortcut to customs. Welcome to the future of travel, where technology makes life easier. U.S. citizens and residents, download the Mobile Passport Control app now. Submit your passport and customs info electronically from your smartphone. Scan your digital receipt at customs kiosks for a seamless experience. Let's be real, lugging around heavy suitcases through the airport is nobody's idea of fun. What if you could skip baggage claim and arrive refreshed and carefree? Enter the world of luggage shipping services. Ship your bags directly to your hotel or Airbnb, bypassing the baggage carousel. No more waiting in line, worrying about weight, or back pain from heavy suitcases. Be prepared to avoid unnecessary delays at the security checkpoint. Don't hold up the line with oversized liquids in your carry-on. Familiarize yourself with TSA's rules on prohibited items and liquid restrictions. Find all the information on the official TSA website. This next tip is all about playing the airport game like a pro. When you arrive at the security checkpoint area, don't just blindly join the first line you see. Take a moment to survey the situation and choose your checkpoint strategically. Security checkpoints that are further away from the main check-in area tend to be less crowded. So next time you're at the airport, channel your inner explorer and venture out to those slightly more remote checkpoints. All right, let's talk about the best-kept secret in the travel world: flying midweek. Midweek flights, particularly those on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, are notorious for having fewer travelers. And fewer travelers mean one thing: shorter lines. You'll encounter shorter lines at check-in, shorter lines at security, and maybe even shorter lines at the coffee shop. Trust me on this one. This tip is for all my night owls and early birds. Sacrifice a little sleep for shorter security lines. Early morning or late night flights have fewer passengers. Most people avoid these hours. Brave the pre-dawn darkness or late night flights for a smoother airport experience. So there you have it, my friends. 15 game-changing tips to help you avoid those dreaded long security lines and make your travel experience a whole lot smoother. Remember, a little planning and preparation can go a long way. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone!